This is a big deal. This is awesome, okay? The image function in Excel, you can put a URL in there and link to an image. That's been around for a while, but you couldn't link to an image on SharePoint or OneDrive. But you can, there's a hack. This is so good. All right, check this out. I'll just delete that. Let me go into the browser, okay? I'm going to go into SharePoint. Here's a little image. I'm going to right click and share that image. I'm going to say, click on the cog. Anyone can view and apply. Copy that link. Okay, I'm going to go back into Excel. I'm going to say equals image, double quotes, paste, double quotes, close the bracket. This was what used to happen. You'd press enter and it would say value. All right, oh, we can't use images from SharePoint or OneDrive, but check out the hack. And massive hat tip, salute to Baz from How to Power BI. He just did a video on this in Power BI. Okay, this is the hack. You get rid of everything after the question mark and replace it with download equals 1. Press enter. It works. This is awesome. Okay, so now you can do all sorts of stuff. You could have a nice little drop-down menu with a table of links. So you could pick between, the date image, or, you can flick across to the M image. You can even, do that inside a table here. So I could go equals image, click on that, press enter, and there we've got our different images for our different products maybe, or our different staff members. So that's the hack, download equals 1. And it works when you share this or view it in Excel Online, Excel Desktop. It just seems to work. This is awesome. All right, catch you in the next video.